Hello, and welcome to one more instructional video by Idiomas. Today, let's learn how to install and use the Pro Metronome app. It's very simple. First, open your smartphone navigator. Then, search for Idiomas blog. Enter the blog. To easily visualize the options, go on Settings, PC version. Now, down below, click on Web version. Now it's much easier to see. Go to the Research in the blog and search for App. You can see several apps we recommend. Navigate to the Pro Metronome app. There it is. Now click to download. Install the app. Then open it. Here you can see the Pro Metronome. It's an app that helps you with speed. Check it out. In this configuration, we have 100 beats tempo. Please decrease to 70. Now you have a slower beat. That's it. To use this app on your daily exercises, synchronize your voice with the beat. For example, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, ninth, eighth, seventh, sixth, fifth, fourth, third, second, first. Do this exercise every day, 3 sections per day. Every day, you increase 5 beats tempo. This way, your performance will increase very much. Thank you very much for watching another video.